Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to reset Reels on Instagram. So, if you are tired of the same genre of the Reels that are being suggested to you on Instagram through their algorithms, and if you feel like changing them, follow the steps I'm going to tell you in this video, and then you'll be good to go. So, the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up Instagram, and then you can see right here that the Reels that are being sent to you, you don't like them and these reels and you want to change them and you don't find them worth watching. So what do you need to do? The first thing that you need to do is you have to go to App Store, and here you can search for Instagram. And if you haven't updated it, you can just click on update and you'll be good to go. When you update it, the problem will be sorted out. If not, if there's still a problem that exists, the next thing that you can do is you can just let me just pause the update for a while and let me show you the other method that you can do. Where is Instagram? Right here. So the next thing that you can do is you can click on this small profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then you can click on these three lines above, and then you can go down and go here to content preferences, and here you have this option of reset suggested content. You click it and then you click next, and then we will be redirected here. We can read it right here: before resetting, review who you follow and your ad topics. We can see the ad topics that we follow and the accounts that we follow, and then we can click on reset suggested content and we'll be good to go. The reels will be resetted. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.